Ticks fear this liquid like hell. It is discharged as their natural number one enemy. A repellent made from it will protect you from ticks 100%. Ticks will never bite you again. These harmful pests will avoid you by a mile. You will learn how to make the best and most effective tick repellent. You've probably already wondered how to protect yourself well from ticks. We have the answer for that. Ticks have some natural enemies. They are ants. Ants prey on ticks. They secrete formic acid, which in high concentrations is fatal to ticks. If ticks sense it, they immediately flee in another direction. If you see an anthill on your walk, you can put a tissue or other soft material on it. Ants will leave formic acid on it, but you don't have to desperately search for an anthill to protect yourself from ticks. All you need to do is buy formic acid alcohol at the drugstore. It's formic acid with purified water and ethanol added. All you have to do is dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Simply spray your clothes with it before walking, and you will be 100% protected from ticks. Ticks avoid this like the plague. Just bring it home from a walk and place it indoors. In summer, when these dangerous parasites are especially active, it's worth using simple and safe protection methods. One of them is common tanzy, a plant with a strong scent that effectively repels ticks and other insects. You can easily find it in meadows, at forest edges, along roadsides, or even grow it in your garden. The simplest method is to gather branches and hang them near windows, resting areas, on the balcony, or in a garden gazebo. Placed by windows, it acts as a natural barrier. The scent of tansy in the air is unpleasant for insects. Another great option is to dry the plant and store it in linen bags. The fabric allows the aromatic essential oils to slowly release into the air, creating a natural scent barrier that keeps ticks and insects away. You can place such a bag in cupboards, drawers, or carry it with you. Tansy can also be used to make a homemade spray. Simply crush fresh leaves and flowers, boil them, and strain once cooled. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and use it on clothing, shoes, or even exposed skin before a walk. It repels ticks and insects while being natural and free from synthetic chemicals. Ticks will flee from you. This remedy is a lifesaver. I always have one small bottle with me. This spray is natural and completely free. There is no need to spend money on expensive product. I spray it on my overgarments, especially my pants, when I spend time outdoors. I haven't had a tick in many years. Not only will ticks avoid you from afar, the spray is also excellent at repelling mosquitoes and midges. What to do to have such a spray? Just pay attention to one plant on your walk. It is this plant, a natural tick repellent that grows in meadows, under the forest and along roads. Pick a few twigs and take it home. It is easily recognized by its characteristic flowers, which bloom yellow from mid-July. Put the flowers in a pitcher. Pour hot water over them. Set aside for 30 minutes. When the infusion cools, pour it into a spray bottle. Spray your outerwear when you go walking in the woods, especially pants and shoes, and you won't have a problem with ticks anymore. Your dogs and cats will never pee in the wrong place again. Use this trick every day. You'll save a ton of money. Time is crucial. Preparing this spray will only take a moment. You'll save a lot of time in training your pets not to pee in the wrong places. When they smell this scent, they won't want to use those spots anymore. My neighbor struggled with her dog for a long time. After this trick, her problems with peeing in the wrong places disappeared. You only need a few ingredients for this, which you surely have at home. To start, prepare a measuring cup and a jug. Pour 50 milliliters of vinegar into the measuring cup. Pour it into the jug. Then pour 50 milliliters of water into the measuring cup. Pour it into the jug as well. Next, pour 3 tablespoons of any concentrated cleaning liquid. Mix everything well in the jug. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid and stir. Now prepare a lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze it into the jug. Mix everything well. Your liquid is ready. Prepare a clean spray bottle. Pour the mixture into it. This way, you'll be able to use it later as well. Applying the spray will be much easier and more convenient. Look how nice it looks. You can now use our mixture. Spray it preferably on all carpets, also on the places where pets like to pee. you'll never have a problem with stains from your pet's pee again. Ticks will avoid you completely. Pour cloves into a bottle. Prepare a plastic container, preferably with measurements to accurately dose the product. Pour about 200 milliliters of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the alcohol into the plastic bottle. Add 100 grams of cloves. Cloves have a strong scent, which makes them useful in many ways. Seal the bottle tightly. Let the mixture sit for 4 days. Remember to shake the bottle daily so the ingredients mix well. After 4 days, the mixture will change color. Strain the liquid into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix thoroughly. Using the funnel, pour everything into the spray bottle and seal it. This spray is an excellent tick repellent. Spray it on your hands or other areas of the body. Remember to shake the bottle before each use. Prepare a plastic container. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, transfer the alcohol into the spray bottle. Add 3.5 ounces of cloves. Set the mixture aside for 4 days, shaking the bottle each day. After that, strain the liquid through a sieve into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix well. Pour everything back into the spray bottle. Spray your hands or other areas of your body. In another container, pour 1 tablespoon of spirit or vodka. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water. Then add about 40 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix everything well and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before going for a walk and keep the bottle in your purse. It might come in handy when you and your friends stop for a picnic in the park. Buy Formic Spirit at the pharmacy. It's formic acid mixed with purified water and ethanol. Just dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your clothes before going for a walk, and you'll be fully protected against ticks. I spray my skin before going out, and I'm no longer afraid of ticks. This homemade spray effectively repels them. Making it takes a moment, and it provides protection for many hours. Ticks are just waiting for their victims near places where we walk or spend time outdoors. You can find a tick on yourself at any moment if you don't protect yourself from them. That's why it's so important to use repellents against these arachnids. But you don't have to buy them in the store. Their prices are quite high. Homemade repellent is cheaper. You can make it any time and always have it on hand. Just spray the exposed parts of your body and that's it. It's safe for use on the skin. Ticks are attracted to our scent. That's why the spray works if we use a scent that ticks don't like. The whole secret of this homemade spray lies in rosemary. Ticks don't like its scent, but you don't have to buy it. Natural essential oil is enough. Pour a tablespoon of alcohol or vodka into a container first. Alcohol extends the action of the oil. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water, and pour about 40 drops of rosemary oil. Mix everything and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before a walk and put the bottle in your bag. It can always come in handy when you stop for a picnic in the park with friends.